90% of the time, once a cavity forms, you cannot fix it at home. If there is a physical hole in your tooth, you must visit a dentist. However, there is a narrow window right before that hole appears where you can successfully intervene. Look closely at your teeth for these two signs. A deep brown or black pit indicates structural damage that requires a professional filling. But a chalky white spot is an early-stage lesion, a sign that the enamel has lost minerals but hasn't collapsed yet. At this stage, the process can be stopped. We are going to build a high-performance weekly routine using 4 specific ingredients from your kitchen to address these spots. Detecting decay at the white spot stage and applying these steps can prevent the need for root canals or fillings that often cost tens of thousands of rupees. Step 1 utilizes Mulethi, or licorice root. Unlike the harsh, bitter taste of neem, Mulethi is naturally sweet and very affordable at any Ayurvedic store. This isn't a new trend. The Sushruta Samhita has recommended Mulethi for oral diseases for thousands of years. Take 1 stick and chew the end until the fibers soften into a brush-like texture. Use those natural bristles to gently rub your teeth and gums for 2 to 3 minutes. Research from the UCLA School of Dentistry identifies 2 compounds in the root, licoricidin and licoricoflavin A, that destroy Streptococcus mutans, the specific bacteria that cause cavities. Perform this ritual 3 to 4 times a week in the morning before your standard brushing. Because children enjoy the sweet flavor, this root provides an easy way to apply a concentrated antibacterial treatment to their teeth without a struggle. The second daily habit is a targeted green tea rinse. Brew 1 cup of green tea for roughly 4 minutes. It is vital that you let it cool until it is just lukewarm before use. Take a mouthful and swish it vigorously for exactly 30 seconds, ensuring it reaches every corner of your mouth before spitting it out. This chart shows the oral environment during the rinse. The compound ECGC in the tea kills bacteria and immediately neutralizes the acids that melt your enamel. The ideal timing for this rinse is right after lunch and dinner. Using this rinse after meals stops the invisible acidic erosion that typically peaks right after you finish eating. Next is coconut oil pulling. You need 1 tablespoon of organic virgin coconut oil, used on a completely empty stomach. Swish the oil between your teeth. If you experience jaw fatigue, start with 5 minutes and slowly work your way up to 15 minutes as your muscles adapt. This diagram shows a bacterial cell. Note that its outer membrane is made of fat or lipids. Because fat attracts fat, the bacteria are magnetically drawn away from your enamel and permanently trapped inside the oil droplets. Spit the oil into a bin, not the sink, then rinse with warm water and brush your teeth normally. This technique uses fat to attract and remove billions of bacteria that standard brushing cannot reach. For the final step, chew a small 20-gram piece of plain mozzarella or fresh paneer immediately after your meal. It is essential that you do not drink water for at least 15 minutes after eating the cheese to let the minerals settle. As you chew, a protein called casein adheres to the tooth surface, creating a protective film that prevents acids from directly contacting your enamel. Simultaneously, the cheese releases calcium and phosphate into your saliva. Your teeth reabsorb these minerals, which harden those soft white spots back into healthy enamel. This daily habit acts as a biological mortar, actively repairing early damage and strengthening the tooth against future decay. You do not need to do all 4 of these things every single day. Trying to manage that would be overwhelming and unnecessary. In the mornings, simply alternate. Use oil pulling on 3 days of the week and use the Mulethi root on the other 3. The green tea rinse and the cheese habit are daily evening tasks that you perform right after dinner. This calendar shows how simple the schedule actually is. Take a screenshot now so you have a clear plan to follow. Following this sequence ensures these 4 ingredients provide a consistent defense against decay, mineral loss, and bacterial buildup. You now have a complete, evidence-based routine to protect your teeth using items from your home. But remember the boundaries. If you have severe pain, bleeding gums, or visible holes, these are medical issues that require a professional dentist, not a kitchen remedy. This protocol is specifically designed for long-term maintenance and the reversal of early-stage white spots. Your first step is to check your pantry right now. Choose one of these 4 items to start with tonight, and tell me which one you're picking in the comments below.